Friday the 22nd of May 2020, end of week portfolio update on my trading 212 account. The value of the my shares or funds is 564.02. I invested a total of 516.47. The return is 47.55. That's up 9.21% since I've invested in all the shares. I'll just go through the shares, the companies I have shares in. Admiral Group, that's a UK-based insurance company. They're up 9.76%. Alphabet, which is Google, they're up 19.32%. Amazon, up 38.83%. Apple, up 18.87%. They're all the positives, but we do have a few negatives. Aston Martin, UK-based traditional British sports car manufacturer, down 86.74%. Berkshire Hathaway, that's Warren Buffett, his fund of shares, they are up 2.49%. Boeing, we all know Boeing, largest one of the largest manufacturers of aircraft in the world. They are down 42%. BP, no movement. Bremer Shipping, they're shipbrokers, plus they do other things. They are down 6.86%. British Land, they invest in UK properties, down 44%. Brookfield Renewables, the name speaks for itself, are into renewable energies. They're up 10%. Cairn Energy, it's a UK-based oil exploration company, up 30%. COCA-COLA, down 9%. DraftKings, they're down 8.25%, and they are an American based gaming platform and a betting platform, as far as I can remember. They're down 8%. Enquest, UK based oil exploration company, up 24%. Ford Motor Co, down 3%. Gulf Keystone, they're a UK based oil exploration company from what I remember, they're down 8%. Hunting, they make tools used in oil exploration. I think it's the drill tips or something like that, or for the exploration of oil. They manufacture the tools. They're down 20%. Hoya, that's a Japanese gaming platform, if I remember rightly. Game live streaming platform. Chinese, not Japanese, sorry. Hoya, they're down 1%. Inovio Pharmaceuticals, they're up 75%. I think they are involved in, well, they're a pharmaceutical company, plus they're working on vaccines or the like. They're up 75%. Quite relevant at the moment with the pandemic, the coronavirus pandemic. We're sort of suffering at the moment. They're quite relevant. London Stock Exchange, that's a stock exchange where the shares are transacted, or a lot of the shares. They're up 42%. MNG, that's an investment company, down 29%. Nordex, down 3%. Nordex, just refresh my memory what they do. Manufacture and distributes power systems, specialising in wind turbines. Yeah, they're involved in the wind turbine industry, and they're down 3%. Nordic American Tankers, they own I think that's 32 or some number of Suezmax tankers. That's the largest oil carrying tanker that will pass through the Suez Canal. I think they're in demand at the moment because there's a glut of oil, and some of them used for storage and some for movement of oil. They're up 65%. Pharos Energy, UK based oil exploration company, up 4%. Premier Oil, UK-based oil company, up 32%. Rockhopper, UK-based oil company, up 4%. Solar Edge Technologies, an American-based company which is involved with solar technology, they are up 25%. Telefonica, which is the parent company which holds O2, which is a mobile company in the UK, they've just recently merged with Virgin Media. They're up 3.92%. Tritag Big Box, they own large warehouses in the UK used by the likes of Amazon for storing materials. They're down 10%. Tallow Oil, UK-based oil company, up 50%. Vanguard, FTSE, that's an investment portfolio of shares, and they're up 7%. I think that's the all world. That give you exposure to all the world's shares. Anyway, they're up. Virgin Galactic, that's my latest acquisition. Richard Branson, and that's the going to take tourists into space. So that's a leading edge type of company, looking well into the future, but that could be very interesting, and I've invested in them. I think I invested in them a couple of days ago, or a day or so ago, and they're up 0.86%. Walt Disney up 29%. Yamana Gold, they're up 46%. That reflects the price of gold. That's a gold exploration company. And Zynga, they're up 26%. Just refresh my mind what Zynga is. I believe it's a Chinese company. Provider of social game services. The company develops and markets and operates social games. I believe they're Chinese. Not 100% sure, but anyway, that's Zynga, and that is the last one in my portfolio. So not doing too bad. Got a nice spread. I find it quite interesting to invest in different companies. You learn about them when you invest. So yes, my portfolio is up £47 since I started investing. So thank you for watching, and keep your eyes open for the next video, which won't be too long in coming up. Until then, I bid you a goodbye.